Hello YouTube friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share about how to plant the sago palm or cycas plant and the benefits of planting the sago palm in your house. So friends, for pot mixing, this one the coarse sand and some kanker, and see the pebbles which I will keep at the top of the pot for humidity purpose. And this is the garden soil, and this is the organic manure. All before mixing, I will spray the fungicide solution for the safety of the plant, because it will help from root decomposition and some insect issues. So let me mix everything. I have to mix it very well, and because this kanker and fine coarse of sand will help for well drainage, and cyca plant growth is very slow, so we have to report once in a 3 years only due to its slow growth. So very nicely we have to mix the pot mix so that there will be well drainage. Hi friends, this is the pot, and you can see there is a lot of holes for a well drainage. And to plant, at the bottom of the pot I am putting 3 stones, and this is the coconut fiber at the bottom I am keeping, so that there will be well drainage. And before putting the pot mix, again I will spray the fungicide solution, and after mixing, fill the pot this level to plant this sago palm. Okay, remove the polythene before planting, and you can keep it here like this. Fill the soil all around like this, and you can decorate some pebbles like this all around. This will generate humidity. Sago plant loves humidity. Then after planting, you can give a little bit of water. Overwatering is not good for sago palm, so water it rationally. So planting of my sago palm or cycas plant is completed. See, so nice it is.